insert the weapon, unzip, fold back, insert the weapon, zip closed, done. To remove, unzip, fold the zipper back, reach in, finger here, thumb here, until it slides back, remove, done. Properly insert the weapon and holster into the pocket, cover it, insert such, and remove your hand. To remove it, same thing. Run your fingers over the trigger guard, over the trigger hole, remove, and done. To remove the weapon to fire, take it up slowly. Make sure your pinky finger and ring finger are below. Like that, discharge. As you continue to discharge a weapon, you can move in a regular shooting position.